Hey guys, how's it going? How to activate email forwarding on Hostinger. Before you do anything, make sure that you go to the official website and select your plan. And if you want to buy a subscription or premium, please go to through the link in the description box. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the Hostinger official website and basically navigate to the forwarders section under the email on your C panel, right? And then go ahead and click forwarders, and then select add forwarders. There, enter the following address to forward, right? The email username without the domain name that will be forwarded, and then select the domain from the drop down list, and then check the box forward to email address, and then fill in the full destination email address. And when all is good and to go, click on add forwarder to apply the changes. And if you want to manage email forwarders, in the forwarders section, navigate to the email account forwarders, where you will find the management option from here, right? You could trace it or find it from here, right? To locate the possible routing error, just go ahead and select trace, and to remove the forwarder, click on delete. And after deletion, your email will stop being forwarded. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for